We're cleaning up the shop. It is a mess, and I'm in the middle of a project, like a filming project, and like a project where I'm building something. This needs to be reorganized, like completely. I would like if I was gonna say I would like if my table saw's on wheels, but that's not a good idea because it's really just a terrible idea. I'm probably gonna rebuild this counter. And when I do, I'm gonna make it to where my table saw can slide underneath it. So it's out of the way completely, and then I have this whole floor opened up. I like that idea. Shelf I need to get rid of, and if I get rid of that, we can put the table saw back there. All this stuff on that shelf I could probably put up in the roof area. Yeah, we just put everything on this shelf that's on this shelf up in the ceiling. Hello. We're gonna be tearing out all the counters today and rebuilding them. I'm probably not gonna talk too much because I'm sick right now. Got a sore throat, but that's about it. And my nose is stuffy. But yeah, we're gonna start with the one closest to the door, because that one I have my lathe on. Yeah, we're gonna tear this one out. So first we gotta move all the stuff off of it, put that somewhere else, take it all apart. I'm gonna build a new one. I got some nice big slabs of wood we're gonna use for it. I'm excited about that. Got some 2x4s. Let's get going. Only about 20 hours of cutting, and I finally got it to the right shape. I had to take my pegboard down and basically knocked over every single thing in the shop. And then I have an annoying dog out there that is barking and scratching at the door the entire time. And I'm sick, so that's... Welcome back. It's the next day now. I don't got a lot of time today, but I'm off the next 2 days, so we're gonna put some supports in across here and down there, and we're also gonna put another support along the edge here. Okay, so we got the new countertop in. Goes all the way across. It's got enough support. Just a little paranoid about it. Well, not all the way across. It's got a couple inches over here that it doesn't. But that's going to be covered up. We're not going to be able to use that. That's where my table saw, not my table saw, my miter saw sits. But what we're going to do now is start putting stuff back, because this is all stuff that I've moved. We're going to start putting stuff back, and once everything's put back, or most of it, then I'm going to move the table saw back out, and then put some more supports for that. And then when we're done with that, we'll put the lathe right about, it's going to be from like that post, probably around here. And then we'll do most of our work here, and then my table saw, my drill press will be in the corner over there. I got the fan going. I don't think it's turned up all the way, but if it is, it's not doing much. It actually feels better over here, but yeah, we have so much more workspace. This is it's a mess right now because everything's just thrown everywhere. We're gonna get this cleaned up, all this cleaned up, and then I will show you. I love it. We have the table saw is out of the way, so we can actually work over here. We just need to raise this, which I'll probably do off camera. I don't work tomorrow, maybe, I don't know. But then we have this workspace here. We have a little bit of workspace down here, which is probably where I keep my drill press. So then I have just big workspace over here. Probably gonna put another shelf here where we can put small stuff. We just have a lot to clean up. Don't got a lot of time because my phone's about to die, but we're done. Still got a little bit of cleaning to do. Basically everything's where I want it. I got some plywood over there that you can't see that I need to like move. Probably gonna make another shelf because underneath my main station here. Because I got a little bit of room. I'm probably gonna put one just above this, so we have like a little cubby like we do on this, where we keep all of our random odds and ends. And the nice thing is, we're gonna be using this piece, or at least this, and then maybe one other piece. And it's already cut out for those 2x4s and all that, so it'll just slot right in. I used to keep my hacksaw over here, but now my hacksaw got its own little, it just sits by the door, so that's nice. I also hung up my hazmat suit. Also, I'm gonna raise this, but that's not gonna happen in this video. I'm gonna shorten the chain here, the metal wire, to where I can actually walk underneath this without it hitting me in the head. What else? I got a little strip of pegboard that I cut off my big piece because it needed to be like 2 inches shorter. Cut that off. Now we can hang stuff up there. The table saw is out of the way. That's underneath here. Now we have from that wall all the way down here one continuous counter for workspace. My lathe, I'm gonna probably move further in that corner, and then we're gonna like bolt it down so it doesn't move when I'm using it. Drill press would probably stay around here, and then from my drill press to my lathe we just have a working space. A little cubby underneath here where we can just store random stuff. These are all gonna stay the same. That's that pile of plywood and all that stuff I said was, over there. Some of that is gonna get thrown out, so I'm gonna use for future projects. Sorry, I'm still sick. You can't really see it because this big piece of plywood's in the way, but there's a little cubby over there where I'm gonna build a like a little closed off section that my 3D printer is going to go in. It's going to be, I'm going to put stuff in there to control humidity. I'm going to insulate so when it's winter it doesn't get too cold. And I'm probably going to use this big chunk of plywood. One that goes basically all the way up to the ceiling to the floor. I'm probably going to use that to make a glow box. But yeah, I got so much more room there. Like, this whole floor is opened up. Table saw is not in the way, so I can actually use this counter space now. My lathe's not taking up the whole thing, so I can use more of this counter space. I really like how it turned out. Still some small odds and ends I have to do. Small stuff I have to clean up, throw away. Just enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I don't know, I'm ducking. I'll see you guys in the next video.